Police in California are looking for a woman who was caught on surveillance video coughing in a one-year-old's face. It happened 2 weeks ago at a San Jose restaurant. Surveillance video from the San Jose Police Department shows the suspect standing in line inside of the business. Miriam Mora is standing behind her with her one-year-old baby in a stroller. And according to police, the suspect was upset Mora was not maintaining social distance, so she took off her mask, got into the stroller, and coughed 2 to 3 times.
My son should not have experienced this, being a baby so young, and I'm pretty sure he's going to be traumatized from now on.
Mora also said the woman made a racist statement.